Hey everyone, Doug Fink here, Microsoft MVP since 2009, and I'm adding some new features to the PowerShell Notebook piece that I have. You can build PowerShell notebooks, which are interactive documents inside of Azure Data Studio, and I've written some standalone utilities that can operate against it. So here's one I'm about to release called Invoke Analyze PowerShell Notebook. I'm going to point it at a notebook that I've built that's on disk, and as we run it, you can see it's actually working against the code blocks in there. And what it does is it executes invoke script analyzer against it. So it's doing script analyzer against the actual code blocks inside of that notebook. And you get back any kind of issues you might have. Now, one of the other pieces that I'm adding to it is you can run the same invoke analyze PowerShell notebook against it, and you can direct it to an Excel file, and then you can display the Excel file. So we'll run it again, and instead of getting it dumped to the console, we'll get a nice formatted report. It'll show you the actual code block that was being analyzed. You can tell what number it is, so you can look back to the original PowerShell notebook inside of Azure Data Studio, know which block it had the problem, and it tells you what the script analyzer, what issues it found, tells you the rule name, the severity, and the suggested corrections. And since we dumped it into Excel using the import Excel module, it sets it up as a table with zebra coloring, as well as you can do filtering. So if you wanted to, you can just pick out the particular areas you're looking for, and you can go right to the problems and make your corrections. If you want to grab this module or the import Excel, check out the link below, and you can also find where the GitHub is, where you can find the source code. Thanks for joining.